how's it going? It's John Krause. If your first time, welcome. If you're returning, thank you. Let's get straight to it.
Walking to the top. Top of the hill. Nice mountains in the back. Man, this hill is steep. Oh my goodness. Oh hell no. No way. That's gonna be freaking cooking. Oh hell no. Okay, this is better. Walk down the hill a little bit. Let's see. Shoot. Fuck. I have no idea what that looked like. Fuck. That's bad. That's gone. Oh man, that's bad. Fuck. Wow. Shouldn't have done that. Lesson learned. Fuck. Safety gear. Go figure. As I'm dripping shit. Oh. And I lost my keys. That sucks. Oh my God. There's my keys. Well, hopefully his blood stops. Good thing my flight's delayed. Wow. Whew. I'm gonna have to change jackets. It's a little bloody. Ooh. Wow. Holy crap. Well, good thing I have my clothes here. Ooh. Yeah. So let's even do the remediate my first aid. Man, holy crap. Ooh. I'll pause. Just pause for a second and see where I'm at. Good thing I got my other glasses. Oh man, I broke the frame. Ooh, wow. Okay, I got a nice big chunk out of my head. Wow. Well, hopefully it stops. Oh my God. I busted my frame. Oh. So. Oh, wow. Blood is everywhere. Hopefully stop soon. Oh my God. But I think what being said is that first off, wear your gear. Second, that's the first time doing the hill, and I weighted the back of my foot. That caused the fishtail. And good thing is I put my palms up, and I actually scraped my jacket, so my jacket's safe. Saved my elbows, thankfully. And my face went into it, so well, hey, hopefully stop soon. I have no idea if it's gonna stop before my flight, so hopefully thankfully it's delayed, but I don't know. Just keep pressure on it, and we'll see how it goes from there. Man, whew. Look at the back of my car. Look at my clothes. Oh man, blood makes the grass grow. Holy moly. Keep pressure on it. I think it'll stop, but we'll see. Direct pressure, direct pressure. Wow, that's bad. Well, thanks for my hat and direct pressure, the blood stopped. So now I gotta clean everything up. I got a little over 2 hours for my flight. So yeah, I gotta change all my clothes. Still have a droplet of blood in my look at that right there, a little droplet in my jacket. Oh my God, let me take it off. So there we go. So good thing is blood stopped. Now I'm just gonna clean up. I got to pack my bag because I was overweight when I first got here. Stop by the pharmacy, get some lacerations, some band-aids, and then should be good. I think the wound should heal, so just keep me from getting infected. So I'd be curious to see what the video looks like. I might not. Damn it.
After the board slipped out from underneath me, I landed on my left hip first, then my left elbow. And it kind of shows where it went. And then I went from the left side to my right side. And my right knuckle had my GoPro. Truthfully, I don't think the gear would have done all that much, other than maybe reducing the abrasion on the elbow and the thigh. But I think the helmet would probably have done worse damage because When my face went into the pavement, the frame broke. And when I have worn the helmet, it locks in my glasses. So I think because I was wearing a soft hat, it helped reduce and it broke off. I think it's if the glasses had stayed on, I believe it would have dug in further and made it worse. So anyway, hope all you liked this. Like, subscribe, comment. See you.